Here's my another 9-inch Blizzard fan. It's got a huge sticker on that. It does internal low. It's on. It's turning. I put it back where I got it, but it's not really that way. There it is. The story is it's the same one as that one, but the fan is broken a long time ago, I think. It blows a lot of air. Blizzard. It is an indoor-outdoor fan, but it is. But I got it. It needs to stop turning, but it does turn. But I would turn this one on too. I want to both of them on high. Got both of them on. I'll turn this one on. It's the same sound. This has got 3 blades. Turn off. That's all the story about the fans. Stay watch. Have a great day.